Yeah.
No, I'm posted in the booth around the jail.
Gotta get in the mood.
No, I'm rocking.
I feel me.
Yeah.
And boy, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up, you buttercup? And that blunt, smoking suicide, bloody blood. Pussy boy, you talking shit on Twitter. It ain't not enough. How these pussy niggas moving day to day. I had enough. Post with that fucking blade. Bitch, I still a face. Dick on that fucking gun. Love it right. Hey, fuck all that fucking shit. Do that shit for fun. Fuck around with these niggas. Hey, step up body, fuck.
Go ahead.
That's what that clock ain't that bang. Put that shit right, ain't just play. Run through so hard. Fuck nigga, what's really good? My niggas, what's that you would? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your hood. What the fuck is up? Bitch, I'm sipping tea in your bitch, I'm sipping tea in your
Play with me shit, bro? I will fucking light your ass up. You better watch it, boy. You better fucking watch it. You're a grown man. Walk away. What happened? I don't know. Grown ass.
They're not calling their hits. It's just they're not calling their hits.
No, I'm gonna make sure this motherfucker never comes back. Give a shit.
What's up, man?
Some grown ass man over here pressing on.
Yeah, he's over here talking shit, and then I called myself out, and he's like, "Oh, you're out," and then he shot me a couple more times.
Yeah, I shot him.
Like, this bullshit. He does that again, I will fuck him up. I will light his ass up.